How to solve this AP Physics problem quickly. Blocks A and B are each attached to the opposite ends of an ideal spring. So initially, the two blocks set at rest, and a force F is applied in both scenarios. And we know that the coefficient of kinetic frictions is the same. So which of the following correctly compares the potential energy of the spring in scenario 1 with that in scenario 2? Pause to solve it first if you'd like to. All right, so here, first we consider both mass as a system, and we apply F equals ma, and therefore F minus mu times ma plus mb times g, right, the friction force, is equal to ma plus mb times a. And it turns out the equation is the same for both scenarios, and therefore a would be the same because F is the same. And then we can separate this A object out, or this B in scenario 2. So here the spring force in the first scenario, F minus mu times ma times g is equal to ma times A. And then in scenario 2 is F2 minus mu times mb, g is equal to mb times A. And because ma is much larger, so you can rewrite it. You can clearly see that F1 is proportional to ma and F2 is proportional to mb, and therefore F1 is much larger than F2, which means K times delta x1 is greater than K times delta x2, and therefore the kinetic energy 1/2 K times delta x1 squared is greater than 1/2 K delta x2 squared. So we choose A.